How to change refresh rate in Windows 11. The refresh rate is the number of times per second that your monitor updates with new information from your computer's graphics card. A higher refresh rate can result in a smoother and more responsive visual experience, particularly in fast-paced games and other applications. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to change the refresh rate on Windows 11. So let's get started. First, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Scroll down and click on the Advanced Display Settings. Click on Choose a refresh rate. Here you will see a list of available refresh rates for your display. Select the desired refresh rate from the list. If the desired refresh rate is not available, it may be because your monitor or graphics card does not support it. Your monitor will flicker briefly as it adjusts to the new refresh rate. If you are satisfied with the new refresh rate, click on the Keep Changes button. If not, click on the Revert button to return to the previous refresh rate. And that's it. You have now successfully changed the refresh rate in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Tutorial River channel for more videos.